You idiot!
Rich douche crashes Ferrari into highway wall in Dubai. Rich douchebags filming themselves drive their obscenely expensive supercars usually make for extremely boring videos. But not this one. The Ferrari F12 Berlinetta, it has a 6.3-liter, 731 horsepower engine, and a price tag of $320,000. This speed racer from Dubai thought it would be a good idea to take it out on the highway for an illegal drag race. The footage was filmed by the douche's friend, who apparently is driving an AMS Alfa GTR. The video starts out with the Alfa speeding ahead, but then the Ferrari takes off down the highway. Fortunately for us, the driver can't drive very well, so when the car up front suddenly changes it into his lane, he hits the brakes and loses control, swerving to the right, but overcompensates and introduces his brand new car to the wall. Fast and Furious 8, anyone?
Leave an insightful comment on tomonews.net and you could win up to $500 every month.